Hi students, welcome to Kakatiya Junior College online classes. Welcome to Maths 2B. Now 17th class running. What is our running topic? Circles. Okay now. Already exercise 1 we started. First bit first question completed. Now the second question. Okay now. So find the power of the point P with respect to the circle S is equal to 0. Power of a point, we have already last class discussed this one. The power of a point is nothing but S11. Power of a point is nothing but S11. Okay now we have the notation S11 is there. S11 is equal to x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 2fy1 plus c. This is the notation of which one, sir? S11. Okay now this is the notation of S11. So we are finding the power of a point with respect to the circle S is equal to 0. Here solution. Okay now. Here given circle. What is the given circle, sir? S is equal to x square plus y square plus 8x plus 12y plus 15. X square plus y square plus 8x plus 12y plus 15. What is the given point, sir? Here given point. What is the given point, sir? Here 5 comma minus 6. 5 comma minus 6, that is nothing but x1 comma y1. x1 comma y1. Power of a point. Power of a point. That is nothing but which one, sir? S11. Power of a point is equal to S11 is equal. We have the notation is there. x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 2gx1 2fy1 plus c. This is the notation of which one, sir? S11. Okay now. Here S11 is equal to x1 square. Here x is equal to x square is there. x1 square. x1 is nothing but 5m. Here 5 square plus y1 square minus 6 whole square plus 2gxm 2gx1 2g is equal to 8 into x1 is equal to what is the value? 5 plus 12 into, so 2f is equal to what is the number? 12 into y1. y1 is equal to minus 6 plus c is equal to 15. Okay now. S11 is equal to 5 square is equal to 25, 6 square is equal to 36, 8 into 5 40, 12 into 6 minus 6 sum. So minus 72. Okay now plus 15. Okay now. Now we are simplifying this one. Okay now we are simplifying this one. Here 40 plus 30 70, 70 plus 2 20. ఇక్కడ ఏమొస్తాం here? Observation 40 plus 36. What is the value? 76. 76 plus 25. Here which values are 101. Here 101 plus 15. So we are writing plus values first. Here S11 is equal to 25 plus 36 plus 40 plus 15 minus 72. Here observation 25 plus 15. 40 plus 40 80 plus 30 ఇక్కడ ఏమొస్తాం 80 plus 30 here 116 వస్తాం 116 minus 72 ఓకేనా 116 minus 72 we are subtracting this value 116 minus 72 here 6 minus 2 what is the value, sir? 4 here 11 here we are taking carrying 10 11 minus 7. What is the value? 11 minus 7 4 44. S11 is equal to what is this, sir? 44. This is which one, sir? Power of a point. Power of a point is nothing but 44. All of you write on this one. Next one. Same second question, second one. Find the power of a point P with respect to the circle S is equal to 0 when P equal to minus 1 comma 1, S is equal to x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12. Here see the solution. First, given circle. What is the given circle? S is equal to x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12. Here given point. What is the given point, sir? Given point is nothing but minus 1 comma 1. That is nothing but x1 comma y1. Okay now? Here power of a point. Power of a point. Power of a point means there is nothing but which one, sir? S11. So already we have the notation is there. S11 is equal to x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 2f y1 plus cm. x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2f y1 plus c. Okay now? Here S11 is equal to this points we are substituting in the circle. S11 means minus 1 whole square plus 1 square minus 6 into minus 1 plus 4 into 1 minus 12. Minus 1 whole square is equal to 1. 1 square is equal to 1. Minus 6 into minus 1 plus 6 plus 4 minus 12. Here 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 6 8. 8 plus 4 12. 12 minus 12. S11 is equal to 12 minus 12. 12 minus 12 0. Therefore power of a point is equal to 0. All of you write on this one. So see here, already second question, first one, second one completed. Do the same process, third question and fourth question. Power of a point, we are using just which formula, sir? S11. The notation of S11 is x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1. What is the notation of S11? x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 2f y1 plus c. We are finding S11 value, that is the power of a point. Okay now, do the third problem and fourth problem homework. Right. Next, see a next question. Third question. Find the length of the tangent from P to the circle S is equal to 0 when P is equal to minus 2 comma 5 and S is equal to x square plus y square minus 25. So like this one, see here. This is the circle center. Okay now. Here the point P. P is equal to minus 2 comma 5. Minus 2 comma 5. Length of the tangent means from the circle to the point. Length of the tangent means from the circle to the point which one, sir? P. This is nothing but length of the tangent. So this is PT. The PT bar is called the length of the tangent. We have already formula is there. The length of the tangent from P to the circle S is equal to 0. See the circle S is equal to 0 is under root of S11. What is the formula? Under root of S11. See, first we are writing solution. Given point. What is the given point, sir? P is equal to minus 2 comma 5. It is nothing but x1 comma y1. X1 comma y1. Given circle. What is the given circle, sir? S is equal to x square plus y square minus 25. Given circle is nothing but x square plus y square minus 25. Okay now, see here we have the formula is there. The length of the tangent. The length of the tangent from which point, sir? The length of the tangent from P of x1 comma y1 to the circle. Which circle, sir? S is equal to 0 is under root of S11. The length of the tangent from P of x1 comma y1 to the circle S is equal to 0 is under root of S11. We have already the notation of S11 already we know. S11 is equal to x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 2f(y1) plus cm. S11 is equal to x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 2f(y1) plus cm. This is the circle S. x1 y1 this is there. We are finding S11, that is nothing but x square plus y square minus 25 is there. X1 square plus y1 square minus 25. There is no 2gx 2fy. That's why we are substituting only here x1, here y1. X1 is nothing but minus 2 whole square plus 5 square minus 25. S11 is equal to minus 2 whole square is nothing but 4. 5 square is equal to 25. Here minus 25 plus 25 minus 25 cancel. S11 is equal to 4. Actually this is the S11 value, but length of the tangent is equal to, what is the formula, sir? Under root of S11. Here length of the tangent what is the formula, sir? Under root of S11, that is nothing but root 4. Root 4 is equal to, what is the value? 2. This is the length of the tangent from P to the circle. Which circle? S is equal to 0 means, so x square plus y square minus 25. The length is nothing but, sir, 2. Okay na? All of you write down. Remaining 2 problems are there. Do the remaining 2 problems homework. I am writing the 2 problems on the board. So see, do these 2 problems overcome. Same type problems. Find the length of the tangent from P to the circle S is equal to 0. When P equal to 0, 0 and S is equal to x square plus y square minus 14x plus 2y plus 25. So we are using which formula, sir? Length of the tangent is equal to under root of S11. This is the formula. Length of the tangent under root of S11. Same question here also. This one 2, find S is equal to x square plus y square minus 5x plus 4y minus 5. Do these 2 problems homework. See next question, second bit first problem. If the length of the tangent from 5, 4 to the circle x square plus y square plus 2ky is equal to 0 is 1. Length of the tangent is given. We are finding k value. See here, this is the circle. This circle refers to this one. Here what is the points, sir? P of what is the value? 5, 4. The length of the tangent under root of S11 is equal to, what is given? 1 is given. Length of the tangent is 1, then find k value. Okay now, see here. See the solution. What is the given circle, sir? Here given circle S is equal to x square plus y square plus 2ky is equal to 0. S is equal to x square plus y square plus 2ky is equal to 0. Here length of the tangent. So and also given point. What is the given point, sir? Here given point, that is nothing but 5, 4, that is equal to here x1, y1. What is given, sir? Given length of the tangent. Length of the tangent under root of S11 is equal to, what is given, sir? 1 is given. Then we are finding the value of km. Under root of S11 is equal to 1. Squaring on both sides. That is nothing but S11 is equal to 1. So no need of this one. We are continuing this one. Under root of S11 is equal to 1. Under root of S11, x1, y1. So x1 square, 5 square, y1 square, 4 square, 2k into y. So 2k y1. y1 is equal to, what is the value, sir? 4 is equal to 1. And the root of 5 square is equal to 25. 4 square is equal to 16. 5 square is equal to 25. 4 square is equal to 16. Plus 2k into 4. Which one, sir? 8k is equal to 1. 25 plus 16. What is the value? 41. 41 plus 8k is equal to 1. Here we are doing squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. So 41 plus 8k is equal to 1. Square root cancel, 1 square is equal to 1. Here 8k is equal to 1 minus 41. 8k is equal to minus 40. K is equal to minus 40 by 8. 8 ones are 8 fives are. That's why k is equal to, what is the value, sir? K is equal to minus 5. Okay, now here k is equal to, what is the value? Minus 5. In our question, length of the tangent is given. Length of the tangent is equal to root of s11 is equal to 1. So by using of that formula, so we find out which ones are k. K equal to, what is there? Minus 5. All are right on this one. See the next question. Second question. If the length of the tangent from 2, 5 to the circle x square plus y square minus 5x plus 4y plus k equal to 0 is under root of 37, then find km. Previous problem, this problem same. And this is the circle, s is equal to 0. Length of the tangent to, so this is t, this is pm. So what is the point, sir? P of 2, 5. If the length of the tangent is what is given, sir? Under root of 37 is given. In that case, we are finding which value, sir? K value. See the solution. First, given point. What is the given point, sir? 2, 5. That is nothing but x1, y1. x1, y1 be the given point. Here given circle. What is the given circle, sir? Here s is equal to x square plus y square minus 5x plus 4y plus k is equal to 0. This is the s value. Okay, now here length of the tangent. Length of the tangent. Here what is the length of the tangent, sir? Under root of s11 is equal to under root of 37 is given. What is the formula? Length of the tangent is nothing but under root of s11. What is given? Under root of 37. Here under root of s11 is equal to x1 square. That is nothing but 2 square plus y1 square 5 square minus 5 into x is equal to 2 plus 4 into y is equal to 5 plus k by under root of, what is that, sir? 37. Under root of 37. Next we are doing squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Okay, now here 2 square is nothing but 4. Square root cancel. Here also square root cancel. 2 square is nothing but 4. 5 square is equal to 25. Minus 5 into 2 minus 10. 4 into 5 20 plus k is equal to, what is the value? 37. 2 square is equal to 4. 5 square equal to 25. Minus 5 into 2 minus 10. 4 into 5 20 plus k is equal to 37. Okay, now here 25 plus 4 29. 29 plus 20. What is the value? 49. 4 plus 25 29. 29 plus 20 49. Minus 10 is equal to 37. 49 minus 10. What is the value, sir? 30. 49 minus 10. Here what is the remaining value? Plus k is equal to 37. 49 minus 10 39. 39 plus k is equal to 37. K is equal to 37 minus 39. 37 minus 39. What is the value? Minus 2. What is the value of k, sir? K is equal to minus 2. Okay, na? All of right on this one. Next is see here. If a point P is moving such that the lengths of the tangents drawn from P to the circles x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 equal to 0 and x square plus y square plus 6x plus 18y plus 26 is equal to 0 are in the ratio 2:3. then find the equation of the locus of P. See here, again repeating, if a point P is moving such that the length of the tangents drawn from P to the circles, this circle and the circles are in the ratio 2:3, then find the equation of the locus of PM. See here, there are the two circles are there, like this one, this is the another circle. This first circle is S is equal to 0, second circle is S dash is equal to 0. Okay now, S is equal to 0, S dash is equal to 0. Here we are taking the one point P of x1 comma y1 be the one point. The point P is moving, so the length of the tangents, what is the, here another, see the lengths of the tangents drawn from P to the circles, S is equal to 0 and S dash is equal to 0 are in the ratio, what is the ratio sir? This is 2:3 ratio, 2:3. So the length of the tangent from P to the circle S is equal to 0, PT. This is PT dash. That is 2. This is 2:3 ratio is there. Okay now. In that case, we are finding the equation of the locus of PM. Okay now. Equation of the locus of P. That is nothing but let P is equal to x1 comma y1 be a point on the locus. Be a point on the locus. That is nothing but here x1 comma y1 be a point on the locus means the distance from P to the circle S is equal to 0 is how many units? 2 units. The distance from P to the circle S dash is equal to 0 is how many units sir? 3 units. This is 2 unit distance, this is 3 unit distance. That is nothing but 2:3. P is equal to x1 comma y1 be a point on the locus. Okay now. Here given circles. What is the given circle sir? S is equal to, first circle what is there? X square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 equal to 0. So second circle we are taking S dash. S dash is equal to x square plus y square plus 6x plus 18y plus 26 is equal to 0. Given circles here, what are they sir? S is equal to, S equal symbol, x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 equal to 0. X square plus y square plus 6x plus 18y plus 26 equal to 0. Okay now. So the length of the tangent from P to the circle S is equal to 0 and P to the circle S dash is equal to 0. First we are finding. Okay now. The length of the tangent from P of x1 comma y1 to the circle to the is under root of which one sir? S11. Okay now. So next same one. The length of the tangent from P of x1 comma y1 to the circle S dash is equal to 0 is under root of S dash 1 here by given condition, what is the given condition sir? So the lengths of the tangents from P to the circle S is equal to 0 and S dash is equal to 0 are in which ratio? 2:3. Ratio is there S11. This is nothing but S11 is to under root of S dash 11 is equal to which ratio is there sir? 2:3 ratio. Okay now. Under root of S11 by under root of S dash 11 is equal to, what is the value? 2/3. Under root of S11 by under root of S dash 11 is equal to 2/3. Now we are doing the cross multiplication. 3 into under root of S11 is equal to 2 into under root of S dash 11. 3 into under root of S11 is equal to 2 into under root of S dash 11. So for our convenience we are doing squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Okay now. So we are doing squaring on both sides. There is nothing but 9 into square root to cancel. There is nothing but S11 is equal to 2 square is equal to 4 into S dash 11. 9 into S11 is equal to 4 into S dash 11. What is the point, sir? Here x is equal to x1, y equal to y1 only we are substituting. What is the circle? S is equal to x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12. 9 into S11 x1 square plus y1 square minus 4x1 minus 6y1 minus 12. X1 square plus y1 square minus 4x1 minus 6y1 minus 12 is equal to 4 into S dash 11. This is S dash 11 is nothing but x1 square plus y1 square plus what is the number? 6x1 plus 18y1. 6x1 plus 18y1 plus what is the value? 26. Okay na? Here S1 S dash 11 is nothing but x1 square plus y1 square plus 6x1 plus 18y1 plus 26. Now we are simplifying this equation. We get the required locus. All of you first write on this one. See here, now we are simplifying this one. This 9 value multiplied to inside. 4 is also multiplied to inside. 9 into x1 square. 9x1 square plus 9 into y1 square. 9y1 square minus 9 into 4. 36 36x1. 9 into 6 minus 54y1. Okay na? So 9 into 12 minus 108. 9 into 12 minus 108. 4 into x1 square. 4x1 square. 4 into y1 square. 4y1 square. 4 into 6. 24x1. Okay now? 4 into 8. Okay now? 4 into 8. What is the 4 into 8? 72 plus 72y1. Okay now? 26 into 4. Okay now? 26 into 4. What is the value of 26 into 4 is nothing but 104. Okay now? 26 into 4. That is nothing but 104. Okay na? Next see here. We are simplifying this total value. We are taking to the left side. Here 9x1 square minus 4x1 square plus 9y1 square minus 4y1 square. Okay na? Here minus 36x1. Here minus 24x1. Minus 36x1 minus 24x1. Here minus 54y1. There is plus 72y1. We are taking left side. Minus 72y1. Okay now? Here minus 108. There is plus 104 is there. Minus 104 equal 0. This total value we take in left side. Okay na? 9x1 square minus 4x1 square is nothing but 5x1 square. 9y1 square minus 4y1 square is nothing but 5y1 square. 36x1 minus 24x1. 36 plus minus 24. Minus 36 minus 24. Minus 60x1. Okay now? Here minus 54y1 minus 72y1. Here minus 126y1. 54y1 minus 72y1 minus 126y1 minus 108 minus 104 minus 108 minus 104 minus 212 is equal to 0. Therefore, the locus of P is equal to the locus of P of x1 comma y1 is here 5x square plus 5y square minus 60x minus 126y minus 212 is equal to 0. This is the required locus. Okay na? is the required locus. Okay now, all of you read this one carefully. So thank you students, next class will be continued.